Guys, look at this. It's been 3 weeks since the birds have been in the aviary. It's a beautiful day today, 21 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And we've kept this as clean as possible, and we thought we're going to let them out because they've been in the house so long and they need some sunshine and they need some space to move around. And Kulika put the birds in here. I handed her the cages. She put them in. She had her hands sanitized. Then I took the cage top, brought it here. Kulika went in. She had a change of shoes just for the aviary. Then she went in there and released them there. And now we'll just let them have some fun. They really need this. Plus we hear a bunch of rains coming, cooler weather again. No snow though. But they really need this. And the tarp has been working good. Haven't even seen anything up there, but still it's there for the protection just in case. What we're gonna have to do though, we're gonna have to anchor down this aviary. We're gonna do that later though. We'll put some posts on the outside here and then tie some wire to these end posts. Because this, we want to keep the tarp on when we're not around and it'll sail away like a sailboat. So I have to film from outside, guys. I'm not going in. I'm doing my part to not bring anything in there. Look at that. Yeah, over 3 weeks. So there's Cherry up there. Pie and Spice. Peach and Maple. This is Maple here. Peach is over there in his own bowl. Look at that. Oh, they're having a great time already. It's already the middle of May, past the middle of May now. So we've kept them in the house for a long time. But they got to get out here and have some fun and stretch their wings and take some baths. Cherry! What's going on, Cherry? I'm not going in the aviary, guys. I'll just film from outside. Cherry! Isn't that nice? He wants to go in the water too, but you'll get your turn. Cherry! Let's go see Cherry. There's the sail, look. Gets too windy, this would tip over, but we're gonna reinforce it. Just wanted to show you guys, we finally put him in the aviary for a while. Peach and Maple. Peach. That's Maple on this side. Peach is on the other side. She said, I want to go in. Maple's such a little baby sometimes. Making the little baby sounds yet. 4 years old already. Pretty well. Peach. Peach is enjoying. Look at that. We don't keep them in here all day or nothing. This is, like I said, this is the first time in weeks we've brought them out. I'll go from that other side, guys. Getting some good sun. They need that. Everybody needs sunshine. Hello. Peach. Hello, Peach. This is Peach. This is Peach. Hello, Peach. Who's that? Spice? Spice, you're sunning? Pie's way back there. Oh, there he is. He's coming in closer. Hello, Peach. Let's go see Pie. Maple. Hello, Maple. That's Maple. There's Cherry. Yeah, there's videos on our channel about Cherry, the story of Cherry with the broken wing. We adopted him. I'll put a link below to that video so you can learn more about them. I'll put links to all the birds. There's always new viewers wondering why we have these birds. They're all rescued. We didn't rescue personally Cherry, but we adopted him from the wildlife rehab. Look at that sunning. Looks like Pie's a wet chicken, you know. He's all wet. Look, Cherry sunning. That's how they look when they're sunning. They're all fluffed up. Getting some sun, yeah. Look at that. Hope you're enjoying this video, guys. We haven't shown one for a while of them in the aviary. And the snow is long gone, as you can see. We're glad to get rid of that. We're not going to talk about snow no more. Long enough winter here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're new here.